In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use Instagram's shopping tag feature to showcase and sell products directly through your post. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. First, you'll need to switch your Instagram account to the business account. To do that, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Then you can navigate to account type and tools and switch your account to the business account. Then you'll need to connect to a Facebook page. Navigate to the section Account Center, click on Manage Accounts. Click on Add Accounts and select the option Facebook. Make sure you are logged in with the Facebook account as well. Once you have connected, you will be good to go. Now you will need to have a product catalog set up through Facebook Commerce Manager. Once your catalog is approved and connected, you are ready to start tagging products in your content. To do this, create a new Instagram post by uploading a photo or a video that features the products you want to promote. Continue through the editing and caption screens until you reach the final sharing page. Here you will see the tag products option. Tap on it, then select the area of the image where the product appears. Instagram will allow you to search your connected product catalog and choose the specific item you want to tag. After selecting the product, confirm the tag and continue publishing your post. Once the post goes live, viewers can tap the shopping tag to view product details and learn more about the item directly from your catalog. It's a simple and effective way to make your products more discoverable and drive sales through Instagram. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.